Welcome back to my channel. 20 plus easy wall painting tip and ideas for beginners. Want to refresh your space with some dye wall art in this video? I share over 20 easy and creative wall painting ideas perfect for beginners. Whether you are looking to add the splash of color and create a stunning and mural, these tips will help you get started. Grab your paintbrush and let's transfer to your walls. Pick color that you love and that match your room vibes. Clean the wall and fill any hole before painting for a smooth finish. Tap off areas to keep line and crisp and protect your trim. Apply a primer if you changing for dark the light color. Try small patches of paint to see how to and they look in your space. Invest in your good brushes and rollers from the cleaner smooth finishes and divide your wall in the section to make painting an easier and manageable. Stir your paint to thoroughly before you start. Ensure even color. Protect your floors and furniture with this drop cloth. Apply multiple and coats rather than on thick on one of the avoid trips. Feather out paint at the edges to avoid visible line. Let each coat dry completely before applying the next. A point tray makes the easier load your brushes and roller evenly. Stencil and add the fun pattern and design without needing artist skills. Paint one wall different color for a bold accents and stripes and polka dots and are the pattern that add interest. Ensure your line and patterns to strike with a level. Wash brushes and clean spills right away to avoid messes. Keep your wall ventilated while painting to help you paint the dry faster. Step back to admire your work when everything is dry. Want you refresh space with some dye wall arts in this video? I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon.